So a taster day, the idea of a taster day is to get the students onto the campus so that when they arrive in September for enrolment and to start their course, they feel a bit more comfortable and familiar with their surroundings, and hopefully there'll be some faces that they know in terms of their fellow students, because we get them together in groups doing things together, like building these as a group, and familiarity with their tutors. So it's just to ease the nerves and make them feel a bit more comfortable when they finally come to enrol, because it's a big step to school to college.
So today we're doing a landmark challenge with our learners. So we're having a little bit of a tour of London, as you can see, and they're picking out different landmarks. Some of them, it tells them what they are. Some of them they have to pick out just from the images that are shown. And it's just a bit of fun really, but using the really nice interactive experience rather than having to go on and just find pictures.
We came here, I went into reception, met everyone, was in a group, and then went into the classroom, played games and stuff, got to know each other, and then yeah, the day just went on like that. Coming here today has given me a really good idea of what to expect in September.
Part of the taster is around just having a bit of a nice light day, chilled out day, get to know the staff in the department, get to know what to expect from us as well when they come to college, and just get a bit of a feel to feel nice and relaxed over the summer, not worry about starting with us in September.
They really enjoy it because we make the activity really interesting for them. It's usually goes really well.